you are not going anywhere in terms of what the Nifty clearly seems to be indicating, and you are staying above key technical levels, which is important. But those key technical levels in a sense are not creating any compulsion of short covering or fresh buying. The flows are there, but the flows are getting digested by fresh paper supply. The bank Nifty seems to be missing that zinc, so to speak. So from a macro standpoint, this is a great positioning to be in, which is that interest rates are headed lower, liquidity is abundant, dollar index is low, crude is exactly in line with what we want to see. So all those factors are in fact quite conducive for a market like India. But good macro is a necessary condition, not a sufficient condition for markets to go up, and that is what I think markets are telling you, because from last 30 days, irrespective of the global news, local bent of the bent of the macro news, markets are just not going anywhere. The long-term investors would say consolidation, but traders would say this is getting quite boring out there, and this may well extend itself. July would be strikingly different because in a matter of 2-3 days now, earnings season will start staring at us. The quarterly update have been mixed, nothing very strikingly great, nothing very scary. They've been just about mixed. So we know that we are entering into an earnings season where the earnings growth will not be double digit, and impact of that will be soon visible in individual stocks. We are in for more downgrades and less upgrades, and I think that is something where the market temperament really would be tested. In this market also, you have to remember that volumes have started dropping after the Jane Street impact. So we are in this phase of the market where you may not really find it a very gratifying experience if you're trading. And for the sake of trading, I think if you're trading, maybe this is not the best time to trade. Market is in this no-go zone, and the traders right now are finding it difficult to really pick up pockets where they can even find individual stocks which could give them a 2-3% big move. So we are in that phase of the market. This shall not continue. I think the path of least resistance is on the upside rather than on the downside. But individually, I think you must brace ourselves for stock reactions. Now look at Trent. It's an AGM commentary. 10% move. Look at Titan. So the disappointments are being hammered down, and that is what I think you will expect in this earnings season this time.